Hi everyone, this is Dennis with MainWP, and in this video we'll go over the exciting changes to the MainWP 4.5 release. We have made some crucial improvements to the UI, including new navigation and flexible widgets, and improvements to the REST API and API key security. Let's dive into the details. Main navigation redesign. The first thing you'll notice in version 4.5 is the new main navigation. In our pursuit to optimize the user interface, we've introduced a 3-level navigation system to declutter the main navigation. This not only streamlines the layout, but also paves the way for exciting upcoming additions to the MainWP Dashboard. All pages within the MainWP Dashboard have now been reorganized and fit into their logical categories for convenience. At the bottom of the navigation, we've added 2 new buttons, one to hide the submenu and the other to quickly log out of WordPress. Flexible Widgets. To grant users more control over their overview, individual site overview, and client page, we've introduced Flexible Widgets. This means you can now resize and move widgets around to customize the pages per your needs. Previously for widgets, you had to choose between a fixed 2 or 3 column layout, but considering now every widget can be moved and resized to any width and length, that setting is no longer needed and has been removed. For the best experience, update all the extensions that add widgets to your overview pages to the latest versions. Previous versions of the extensions may not work as expected. New client overview widgets. We added non-MainWP changes, recent posts, recent pages widgets to the client's overview page. These widgets function similarly as they do in the overview page, with the exception that here, they'll show data only from the child sites assigned to that particular client. MainWP REST API permission settings. With MainWP 4.5, we've added the option to set, read, write, and delete permissions for each REST API key. This allows you to limit keys to specific types of actions provided by the MainWP REST API keys. APIs created before version 4.5 will have all 3 permissions set. If you wish to remove any permissions from your existing keys, simply edit them and adjust the permissions as required. OpenSSL signature verification algorithm and PHP SecLib as an alternative to OpenSSL. In response to some hosts updating their OpenSSL library to version 3, we've introduced the capability to set a custom secure verification algorithm and added the PHP Secure Communications library as an alternative to OpenSSL. We've made the switch to SHA-256 as the default verification algorithm, considering its compatibility with both OpenSSL 1 and OpenSSL 3, and also its enhanced security features. For most web hosts, OpenSSL functions correctly, but for those instances where OpenSSL is not available, which is usually localhost servers or improperly configured servers, PHP SecLib offers an excellent secure workaround. API Key Encryption. Finally, in MainWP version 4.5, we've enhanced security by introducing a new encryption-decryption system for storing third-party API keys more securely. To use this feature effectively, ensure that the MainWP Dashboard and MainWP Child have been updated to 4.5 and the corresponding extensions are updated to the latest versions. The encryption process is triggered automatically with the installation of version 4.5. And that's our walkthrough of what's new in MainWP Dashboard version 4.5. We hope these changes will improve your experience, and we look forward to your feedback. Once again, I'm Dennis, and thanks for using MainWP.